sa inyo. But before that, mag-check sa usa attendance. Say present if your name is called. Aratia Ken.
Present Aratia, ma'am.
Agabon Mary May. Damayo Quincy. Ultra Maria May. Urbana Rose James. By the way, nanong late ka, Ken?
Sorry ma'am, working method po ba?
Okay, Ken. Regarding sa ako'y kabuhat sa inyo, ma'am, mag-research mo of inventions from Middle Age, mangita mo source sa library or mag-ask mo info sa mga researchers and sa school.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when ang deadline ani?
Sa Monday, September 1, 2025.
Travel explorers confidently with magnetic compass. There you are! Hindi na ako nangita ni mo.
I know, always pointing out. The magnetic compass, which gives you for navigation, was introduced to Europe in the Middle Age between the 12th and 13th centuries. Adapt from earlier Chinese inventions, it allows sailors to navigate more accurately even when visibility was poor. The compass also played a critical role in maritime trade, exploration, and the expansion of European influence.
Thank you.
Nakisa mo nag-research ano eh? Like, to sa 15 na nag-research sa Longbo?
Stronger and deadlier.
Oh, kana!
The longbow was invented by the Welsh around the 11th century. The English recognized the longbow's effectiveness and incorporated it into their military strategies. The longbow revolutionized Middle Ages warfare, securing English victories with its superior range, rapid fire, and armor penetration, contributing to the decline of feudalism.
Time is more accurate with a mechanical clock. There you are, researcher Rizal Loar. What can you say about the mechanical clock?
Ding dong, time for prayer. Among the most notable early clock makers were Richards of Wallingford in England, who around 1326 designed an advanced astronomical clock. In the Middle Ages, mechanical clocks were primarily used to regulate monastic prayer schedules, manage town life through the organization of market hours and curfews, and assess in the astronomical observations.
Merchants are using paper money instead of heavy coins.
Paper money is easy to carry and readily simple.
Di ba ikaw man to'y researcher sa paper money?
Oo, ano di ay?
Can you tell us more about the paper money?
The first inventor of paper money is not attributed to a single individual but rather evolved through a process in China during the medieval period. Paper money emerged to address a shortage of copper coins, facilitate trade between cities, and created a common form of currency. Merchants in medieval Italy used promissory notes and bills of exchange to avoid transporting precious metals.
Okay. Sige. Thank you, Em. Una lang po.
Gunpowder exchange in the face of war. So now we have Mr. Ken Aratia, a gunpowder researcher during the Middle Age.
Explosive discovery. The gunpowder invention is attributed to Chinese alchemists. Its requirement and application involved in Europe. Gunpowder revolutionized weaponry, shifting warfare from close combat to range attacks with firearms and artillery. A key factor in military maneuvers.
Thank you. Sailors read the stars of the astrolabe. There you are, researcher Rostian Urbano. What can you say about the astrolabe?
Navigation by the sky, originating in ancient Greece. The instrument was refined in the Middle East and introduced to medieval Europe. The astrolabe was likely invented by the Greek astronomer and mathematician Hipparchus in the 2nd century BCE. It is used primarily for determining time, measuring the altitude of star and belt, calculating latitude for navigation, and aiding in calendar and religious calculation.
People can now see better with sunglasses. Good morning, Gwen. Ako, research mo kaya about eyeglasses na kaya. Did you know that eyeglasses are not unusual for reading?
The exact inventor of eyeglasses is unknown, but they are believed to have been invented in Italy around the late Middle Ages, eyeglasses were used primarily for reading and writing. Religious and scholarly work, monasteries, and universities were centers of knowledge, and glasses allowed aging intellectuals to continue their work.
Ay, binahinin siya. Pwede mo inalis yun sa mat.
Knights are now protected by the shiny plate armor. There you are, researcher Yvonne. So what can you say about plate armor?
Strike me if you can. Full-plate steel armor developed in Europe during the late Middle Ages. Plate armor was used for superior personal protection in combat, defending against the sharp blades of swords, the force of spears, and blunt weapons by covering the body with interlocking, individually crafted metal plates.
Ikaw man din eh. Uy, masa nagdala ni? Ay, sa damo ka. Sige, sige.
The spinning wheel started to appear in Europe during the medieval period, specifically around the 13th century. The introduction of the spinning wheel in the later Middle Ages significantly increased the amount of yarn available to the textile production, revolutionizing the medieval textile industry.
Last na kami ba naka-idea about horse color?
Farmers use horse collars to plow fields more efficiently. The use of horse collars can be traced back to the 3rd century BC in the Middle East, with European use as far back as the 7th century AD. The horse collar revolutionized farming practices by maximizing low displacement, allowing horses to pull heavier plows and increase crop production.
Farmers are using the heavy plow to cultivate topsoil. There you are, researcher Liza Loar. What can you say about the heavy plow? Bigger harvest ahead. By 1000 CE, High Middle Ages, the invention period is usually placed around the 16th century CE, but its widespread use and importance peaked during the 18th and 10th centuries in the Middle Ages. It plays a huge role in the field of agriculture. It helped plow the heavy and clay-rich soils. As a result, crops could be produced faster and greater quantities, leading to a more stable food supply.
Julian! Mag-brainstorm na. Sana research. Based on our research ba, cannons thunder across the battlefield. Thunder, thunder. War has changed forever. The earliest forms of cannons emerged at the end of the ancient period. Their widespread use and development occurred primarily during the Middle Ages. A cannon is a large caliber gun classified as a type of artillery that launches a projectile using explosive chemical propellant, typically gunpowder. So more to siya ang cannon. Kasi ito yung research about windmills grind grain using the power of wind, turning wind to wood. In Europe, horizontal axis windmills became popular around the 12th century, while the specific inventor is unknown. These mills became more common by the end of the 15th century. Windmills are machines that convert the energy of wind into rational energy using sails of blades. This energy can be used for various purposes, such as grinding grain, pumping water, and generating electricity. Kapatid Laos, ganyan. Bow, horseshoe. Horses last longer with protective iron horseshoe. Stronger steps in every man. Yes. The use of horseshoes became common practice throughout Europe by 1000 AD. The Romans are widely believed to be the first to use them. Horseshoes protect the hooves from wear and tear, especially on hard or rough surfaces. Sumawala to siya. Pero ang pabuo, di ba yan? Pero kung gamay pa. Kung kanina, nag-write a research about inventions. Pero nakapag daw sa public life, iyan sila, nakapag daw mga daghang phone and so. Maybe after lunch, at the back, pwede rin mood phone. Drinks ka na. Nagwala lang. Nagwala kamay na lang yun. Wala dito.